Sir, take care ha, every time. Yan na.
Slowly.
Dito pala tayo, magluluto tayo ng Indian dish, mga kamaster. Ayan, pakulo na tayo ng curry. Yeah, curry.
All spicy, now make it warm.
All spicy. Ito yung spicy, iniinit natin.
Turmeric,
Turmeric, everything already there. Turmeric,
chili,
ginger,
onion, tomato,
already,
coriander, black pepper, all mix and now make it warm. After get boiled, put these vegetables.
After warm, put this one.
Beetroot,
Carrots,
cabbage.
and cabbage. Yan o.
You know,
Wait lang.
these all vegetables will boil with this spicy juice.
This.
Become your tasty.
Yeah, okay. Just wait. Lagay natin mamaya.
Yeah,
Now,
going to
lagay
add-
na natin yung ating beetroot at yung carrots.
Slowly.
Ayan. Slowly lang kasi mapasok ka dyan.
Because it's pink.
Ayan.
It will spread. Because the hot water,
Yeah.
water.
Hot water, take care ha, every time. Ayan na.
Slowly.
Tuminto na yung pagkulo dahil nilagay na natin yung ating mga beetroot at carrots natin.
Almost
Ayan, oh.
done.
Wow, dumami na siya.
Now
Oh.
little
Wow.
more.
More fire. More fire and
These
siyempre,
vegetables.
halo-haloin
This will
natin.
take time. These vegetables.
Yeah, take
Now
time.
it's not boiling easily. It will take time.
Take time, it's hard.
After that,
Okay.
you can.
Dito, cover, okay? Cover.
What?
Ayan na, oh, di ba? Ayan na yung beetroot at saka carrots. Ilagay natin sa ating ano kanina, yung kita niyo yung pinakuluan natin kanina. Ayan na yung kulay, nagbago na yung dilaw, nagiging orange na, sobrang sarap. Tingnan niyo naman, oh, di ba? Ayan na yung ating cabbage, maliliit lang yung hiwa natin, ilalagay din natin dito sa ating dito. Ayan, oh. Ihalo na natin, ayan, oh. Wow! Kamay lang yan. Pasarap sa ating beetroot, carrots, and cabbage. This one, Indian dish, new discover. All vegetable. See? Parang apritada din ang lasa, di ba? Yan, oh. Parang apritada.
Don't forget to add this one.
Ha?
Tamarind. Don't forget to add.
Tamarin.
Yeah.
Yan, lagyan na tayo ng asin para pampasarap.
Or salt, then
Haluin natin.
mix.
Wow! Okay, salamat sa laging panonood nyo sa aking mga video, sa walang sawa, sa lahat ng mga followers ko, supporters ko, sa family ko. Lahat maraming salamat sa inyo sa suporta nyo lagi. Walang sawang suporta sa mga kaibigan, friends, kaibigan ng mga friends. So, thank you so much and mag-ingat po kayo lagi. God bless.